hopefully we have a great day ahead. Okay then. Nice, but this first stop is really overcrowded. So let's hope it's better later.
Qui c'est qui veut du snorkeling? So we just had lunch on Pod Island. Now we have like 50 minutes free time, let's say free time. And then we go to Chicken Island, where we can only take pictures, and then we go to, forgot the name of the last one, which is two islands linked by a stretch of beach, which I've seen on video. Looks very nice. Bye bye Pod Island. Back on the speedboat. The funny thing is we are touring some islands in the south of Thailand, and Gabriela is from Venezuela, and we met a couple from Venezuela, now a woman from Venezuela, which is totally the other side of the planet. It's really funny. The world is small. Les coquillages? Oui, wow! So we are now on Tap Island. Nice. In front of me is Chicken Island and Phi Phi Island in the back there, in the background. Really warm, really warm. No shade at all, so I guess we're gonna have to stay in the water. Let's see how the girls are doing. Il y avait un petit poisson dans l'eau. So you can actually walk from one island to the other, but it depends on the tide, obviously. That took us here at the right time. it's nice. For now, let's enjoy this warm sea. Woohoo! So now we go to Chicken Island. Chicken Island.